Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to remote start a Ford Edge. To begin, ensure your vehicle is locked. This is a crucial first step for the remote start system to activate. You'll primarily use your key fob for this function, which offers a convenient way to warm up or cool down your car before you even step inside. Make sure you are within a reasonable distance, usually about 30 feet, for the signal to reach your vehicle effectively. Once your Ford Edge is locked, locate the remote start button on your key fob. It often looks like a circular arrow. First, press the lock button once. Then, within 3 seconds, press the remote start button twice. You should see the parking lights flash and hear the engine start, confirming the command was successful. This sequence ensures the system recognizes your intent to start the vehicle remotely. For even greater convenience, you can use the Ford Pass app on your smartphone. After downloading the app and adding your Ford Edge, ensure Ford Pass Connect is activated. This allows you to start your vehicle from virtually anywhere, as long as you have a cellular signal. Simply open the app, select your vehicle, and tap the remote start button. It's a fantastic feature for those cold mornings or hot afternoons. A few tips to keep in mind. Your Ford Edge's engine will typically run for about 10 to 15 minutes after a remote start. If you don't enter the vehicle, it will shut off automatically. Also, for safety, remote start will not engage if the hood is open or if there's a check engine light on. To turn off the engine remotely, simply press the remote start button on your key fob once more.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.